In today's video, we will be using the Prosig DATS software and the P-0013 data acquisition hardware to perform an accelerometer calibration. We have an accelerometer connected to channel 1. We will name this channel as our accelerometer channel. We will set this channel to acquire. We will use the default sample rate of 5,000 samples per second per channel. We will then set the target file. This is always good practice to set the target file in case we do perform any data captures. We will create a new folder on the desktop and call this accelerometer calibration. Inside this folder, we will call the target file capture 001. We will put the number on the end of the file so the software can automatically increment the file name should we wish to capture data. The calibration will be performed in meters per second squared. You can use other units such as G, if you would prefer. The type of accelerometer that we are using is called powered transducer. This requires excitation in order to function. We will give this 10 volts of excitation. This particular transducer will require an auto-zero type of external. This is to remove any DC offset should there be any. The sensitivity is currently set to the default of 1000 mV per meter per second squared. This will change once we have our accelerometer calibrated. Let's start by arming the system. And select the Show Signal View Display button. We can see we have our accelerometer here. The current signal. If we turn on the calibrator, we should start to see a sine wave. If we select the Calibration tab located in the bottom left-hand corner, and select Tone Calibration, we need to enter the RMS level of the calibrator. In this instance, it's 10.0 meters per second squared. If we click on the Calculate button, we can see that we have calculated a sensitivity for the accelerometer. If we then click on the Use button and go back to the Signal Setup matrix, we can see that the sensitivity has been updated and the accelerometer has been successfully calibrated. We should save this setup matrix, so this information is stored and ready for us to use next time. We hope this has given you an understanding of how simple it is to calibrate an accelerometer.